In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use character stream for file input output. So what is character stream? Java byte streams are used to perform the input and output of 8-bit bytes, whereas the Java character streams are used to perform the input and output for 16-bit Unicode. So if we want to use 16-bit Unicode, then we can use the character streams to perform the input and output functions. Now, there are many classes related to character streams, but the most frequently used classes are file reader and file writer. Now, internally, file reader uses file input stream just like the byte stream, and file writer uses file output stream. But here the major difference is that the file reader reads 2 bytes at a time and file writer writes 2 bytes at a time. Let's discuss about some standard streams. All the programming language provides support for standard input-output, where the user program can take input from a keyword and then produce an output on the computer screen. If you are aware of C and C++ programming languages, then you must be aware of 3 standard devices, that is stdin, stdio2 and stderr. Similarly, Java provides the following 3 standard streams. First one is standard input. This is used to feed the data to user's program, and usually a keyword is used to standard input stream and represented as system.in. Second one is standard output. This is used to output the data produced by the user's program, and usually a computer screen is used for a standard output stream and represented as system.out. Third one is standard error. This is used to output the error data produced by the user's program, and usually a computer screen is used for standard error stream and represented as system.err. Here are the reading and writing files. First of all, the object, that is the superclass, and then the input stream and then the output stream. Then input stream is divided into 4 types, that is file input stream, byte array input stream, filter input stream and object input stream. And similarly, the output stream has these things, that is file output stream, byte array output stream, filter output stream and object output stream. And hence the filter input stream is again classified into 2 classes, that is buffered input stream and data input stream. Similarly, filter output stream as data output stream and buffered output stream. So let's see the code, how we can implement the character stream in file using IO. Of character stream input output. First of all, we import the java.io package and then create a class, that is public class character stream IO. And then inside the main method, first of all we throws the IO exception, and then we use the file reader, that is the class super class of character stream, and then we use a reference as an in is equals to null, and again I use a file writer out is equals to null. And inside the try we use in is equals to and initialize it with new file reader input.text. So first of all we create the input.text here, and in this we just write this is the test file for character IO stream, and then save it. This input file is placed in the location where we save the Java file. Here I save it in D drive, and here it is my input file, and this is my character stream IO file. So, and after that we write an out is equals to new file writer output.text. So what it do? It just copy the input text, all the files inside the input text to the output text, and hence a new file is created which is of output, and it print the same thing which is inside the input text. And then we use an int variable c, then c in dot read, And if it is -1, then out dot write, and it write all the things inside the output dot text. And finally, inside the finally, we just close the in dot close and out dot close, and then data successfully copied. If it is successfully done, then print the data successfully copied. Let's save it and just execute it. We are already in our file location, that is D drive. So just write Zavak character stream io.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it executes successfully and write that data successfully copied. So let's check it whether it is copied or not. So we are already in our D drive, and see, here it is the output file, and it also print the same data, that is, this is the test file for character IO stream. So in this way, we can create or we can implement the character stream IO in Java. Thank you.